Here at Grand General, we are committed to improving and delivering superior products. That is why we are proud to introduce our newest and upgraded watermelon light base and bulb holder. Now available in a super high quality stainless steel that ensures durability and is polished to a mirror finish to enhance reflection and light output. We've also dedicated a constant ground wire that prevents loose wiring and ensures easy installation. For added measure and protection, the base is equipped with a rubber grommet to prevent moisture from entering the lens, ensuring long-lasting performance. The bases will be accessible to fit both our classic watermelon and watermelon plus kits, and available in all your favorite colors, making Grand General your one-stop shop, offering the largest selection of watermelon lights on the market. So if style and quality is important to you, make sure you choose Grand General.